Hello, chess friend. Today I will show you how to checkmate in 9 moves. In 2021, Adhiban Bhaskaran versus David Navarra was played. Their Adhiban defeated David in 9 moves. Let's see how Adhiban played. Adhiban started with his favorite b3, the Nimzowitsch attack. David grabs the center. The bishop attacks the pawn. The knight defends it. White goes for c4. Now both knights come out. This pawn is in danger, so e4 attacks the knight. He moves to the center. Black develops the bishop with tempo. Adhiban moves his knight further, attacking g7. Black simply castles, and we have e3 on the board. David played d5, going after this pawn, and at the same time, attacking this knight. Adhiban says, "I don't care. I'll just take this pawn, and if you take my knight, I'll take your knight." Here, the best move for black is to play knight b4, but instead, he took this pawn. This looks quite natural, but that's a big blunder. White has a mate in 4, starting with the killer move, queen g4. And that's what Adhiban played, and guess what? Black resigned. White is threatening a checkmate, and surprisingly, there's no way to stop it, even if you play g6. Knight a6 is a beautiful checkmate. What an amazing trap.